Today in this video we are going to check out the Realme Buds Neo. We will talk in detail about the design, build quality, features, sound quality and everything you need to know before putting your money down for these. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these earphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So few months ago, Realme launched a couple of devices, Realme Watch, Realme Powerbank 2, TV and the Buds Air Neo. I have already posted the video about the Powerbank 2 and today it's about the Buds Air Neo. At first glance, the Buds Air and the Neo looks exactly the same, but there are a couple of differences in features which we will discuss in this video. So let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the shipping packet from Flipkart, and as you can see, this is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this. So here we have our retail packagings of the Buds Air Neo and the Powerbank 2, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Buds Air Neo only, so let's put this aside. So here is the box itself, and first thing we need to do is take off this plastic sheet, please. Now it's good. So as you can see here, it says Buds Air Neo, Realme, and image of the earphones itself, how it is supposed to look. But on the side you can see it says Realme on both of the sides. But coming to the back of the box, we have some features of these earphones, like it has the super low latency, which means it should be optimum for gaming and with R1 chip. Next we have the dynamic bass boost driver, which is 13mm by the way, and it's quite large for the earphones like this. Other than that, we have open up auto connection and Google fast pairing, which means the earphones will connect swiftly to your smartphone. We also get Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC encoding, which is pretty common in Apple devices, and we can also see it has smart touch controls, intelligent voice assistant, and last but not the least, we have 17 hours of playback of the battery backup. But other than that, we can only see the MRP of the device. But I'm really excited, so let's just quickly open this up. That was a quick transition. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, you know what to do. But here is our earphone, and as you can see, they are sitting nicely in the package, so let's take them out. I have whole video to admire this, so let's put this aside and see what else do we have in the box. And that's what I call formality. Now we don't need this, I guess. But here we get the tiny micro USB cable for charging these earphones, which is good, and we get another user manual with a warranty card. First of all, talking about the design, we have to say that they look exactly like the Apple AirPods. But ignoring that, the Buds Neo Air are very plasticky looking device. We get 3 color options, which are white, red and green. While holding the case, it feels like a delicate device. The access is from the top where we have a lid, and the click to it, it's very satisfying. I can do this all day. Inside the case, we have 2 earbuds sitting nicely. On the bottom we have a micro USB port for charging and a pairing button and LED indicator on the front. The earbuds are lightweight, weighing around 4 grams. Speaking of overall build quality, it doesn't feel like a solid device. Everything is in plastic, and I think if you don't take good care of them, they will break apart. Comfort and fitting is one of the key factors when buying any of the audio device, because nobody wants to buy something that keeps on falling out or uncomfortable to wear. Make sure you buy something that has both qualities. So talking about that, the Realme Buds Air Neo are comfortable earphones. They have these Apple-like ear tips design, so you can easily wear them all day long without any sort of discomfort or pain. But these are not very well secured. Unlike the silicone ear tips, these will fall out every now or then. Another major disadvantage of these ear tips is the deteriorated sound quality. As it doesn't create proper seal, this results in poor bass and overall poor sound quality. So I would say they are comfortable but doesn't have secure fitting. Now coming down to the features, we have Bluetooth 5.0 and R1 chip, which is Realme's own chip, which gives us low latency, and Realme claims that it can go as low as 120 milliseconds. To activate the low latency mode, you have to hold both earbuds for few seconds and then you will hear engine sound, which means the gaming mode is activated. Now when I tested these, I got around 80 milliseconds on YouTube videos and 170 milliseconds on COD mobile on an iPhone. Now the results can vary according to the device you are using. We get Google fast pairing with Buds Neo. As soon as you open the lid, it will connect to the device instantaneously. Touch controls are another feature on the Buds Neo, like double tap to play, pause, answer a call, triple tap for next song, etc. But if you don't like the gestures and what they does, then you can also remap them in the Realme Link app. Here you can change these controls and also update the firmware of the device. Battery levels are also indicated in the app, so it is good to see all this customization in the app that you don't get to see in any other true wireless earphone. Now, to make things durable, we have IPX4 water rating, which means that this can easily withstand sweat and water splashes. As mentioned earlier, that the Buds Air and the Neo are pretty similar except for some features. That is, you get 10 watts of wireless charging, USB-C port instead of micro USB, noise cancellation mic and wear detection. So those are all the things that you are paying extra money for. Other than that, they are pretty similar devices. The Realme Buds Neo also have inbuilt mic which can be used for voice assistant and to answer calls.
And speaking of that, this is what it sounds like.
Coming down to the battery life of the Buds Neo, we have 400 mAh battery on the case and 43 mAh battery on each earbud. To charge it all, it took me around 2 hours, and after a full charge, I got around 3 hours of playtime from the earbuds and 13 hours of additional playback from the case, which is quite good for a true wireless earphones like this. I can charge it in the morning and at the end of the day, I still have some battery left. Now, coming down to the most crucial part of any audio device, whether it is headphones, speakers or earphones, it is the sound quality. So on the audio side, we have 13mm driver which has an excellent frequency response, but that doesn't mean that it has great sound quality. The problem is with the Apple styled ear tips design, which doesn't give good isolation, so the frequencies are merged with the background noises, resulting in deteriorated sound quality. I mean, the driver can produce all the bass, mids and highs properly, but because of the ear tips, it cannot block the sound very well, so you will find them all to be struggling in bass and keeping up the volume levels. For me, it sounds very thin, so for the sound quality, I will not recommend these. Now, for the pricing, these are available for 3000 rupees. For what it offers, I think it's not more than just a polished Apple AirPods clone. So anyways, if you want to check these out for yourself, you can head to the first link down below in the description to find the best deals. As of me, I will give the Realme Buds Air Neo a skip. You should only get this if you want to fake this as an Apple AirPods in the public. So what you guys think about the Realme Buds Air Neo? Let me know in the comments down below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye.